Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this video tutorial, I'm going to explain you how to set up a simple project in Visual Studio for x86 assembly language. And we will specifically learn about how to use MASM or how to enable Microsoft Assembler and configure Irvine library. These are the steps I'm going to follow. So let's start Visual Studio. Click on Create New Project. In templates, choose empty, and in empty, choose C++, Windows or console. Okay, it says start from the scratch with C++ for Windows provides no starting file. This is the file, or this is the template that we should choose, and click on next. Here you name the project. Let's say sample setup. I'm just naming it. Click on next. And this is the solution explorer. And over here, click on sources, right click, go to add, and click new item. Once you clicked it, you will see this CPP file or C++ file. This is your source file. Just change its extension and it should be ASM, source.asm, because it is for assembly. Click on add. That's done. Now let me copy a sample uh, program. This is the simple program. Copy and just paste here. Okay. Now you need to find the Irvine folder. Uh, it is for me, it is in documents. This is my Irvine folder. Click over here, copy the path, and come back to the Visual Studio. Okay, very first thing you're gonna do in configuration, right click on your project name, which is sample setup over here. Right click, go to build dependencies, click on build customization. And first of all, check here for MASM. MASM stands for Microsoft Assembler, okay, or Microsoft Macro Assembler. Click it. Okay. Now go to the source file, right click over here, go to the properties, and in item type, choose Microsoft Assembler. Okay, this is the item type. This is the drop down. Choose Microsoft Macro Assembler. Click apply. When you apply it, you will see this Microsoft Assembler over here below journal. And now remember the path we have already copied. It says include path. When you place cursor over here, it shows drop down. Click on this drop down. Click on this edit. Paste your path over here. Press OK and apply. Once you apply, you will see this path in this include paths. Okay. And press OK. For source, we are done. Now we will go to the project. This is the sample setup project. Right click over here, go to the properties, and we will paste the same path in VCC++ directories. In VCC++ directories, and over here you see include directories. If you click over here, you will see this drop down. And now click on this drop down. Click on edit. You see this new line, click on it, and you will see a cursor. Paste over here a link, press OK, and apply. Once you apply it, you will see this path is already added here. Now go to linker, and in linker, you will see additional library directories. Okay. If you click over here, you will see this drop down. Click on it, simply add it. This is the new line. Click on it, and it says, it shows cursor over here. paste your link and press OK and apply. Now we have paste or configured this path. Now we have to also add its library. Go to in linker, go to input, and you will see over here additional dependencies. Okay, so if you click on this, you will see a drop down. Over click and then go to added, and over here you will simply write Irvine 32.lib. I'm not pasting path over here. It is simply I'm writing Irvine 32.lib. This is the library file we're gonna use, and then OK, and you will see that this is done, and also apply and OK. Now everything is ready. Just we need to change this debugger. This debugger is right now on 64-bit mode. So if you click over here, it says x86. It means it is now for x86 assembly or 32-bit assembly. Okay, now everything is ready. You go to build and build solution. You have no errors. So what this program does, it is a simple program. It will simply print 7 on screen. So let's see if it is going to happen. When I run this program, click on local Windows debugger, and you will see that your 7 is printed. Okay, so that means Microsoft Assembler is configured in Visual Studio environment using the Irvine library. I hope you have understood how you set up this project. Still, if you have any query, you can post your queries in comment section. Thank you so much for listening.